business owners, did you know that going to events is a simple and easy way to grow your business? There's one in Las Vegas that really take you forward. Ultimate Business Launch Formula, where you get to meet some greats like Les Brown, the world's #1 motivation speaker. I will be there showing you how to grow your business with less stress and capital. Dr. Robert Goldman is one of the chief scientists and doctors on anti-aging. Noel Lee is the founder of Monster Cable. That's the inventor of the HDMI cable. It's connected to almost all TVs. Sharon Lechter is the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad for Women and 10 Amazon bestsellers, maybe more, plus over 15 other speakers and authors. One of them is going to show you how to write a book in less time, how to market your business, new simple ways. Les Brown will give one of the keynote addresses. I'm going to show you how to grow your business with less stress. This is all be put on by Bill Walsh and Power Team International, and he's going to show you how to grow your business in any economy. So if you want, you'll be able to click the link below or go to vegas.acorey.com, promo code 7.